Hello world, I'm Colleen and welcome to my glamorous life. If you don't know who I am, I'm an almost 50-year-old mom of 3 teenagers here to give you tips and tricks and honest reviews. If that sounds like something you're interested in, do me a favor and click the subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon. So today I am kind of excited because one of my favorite cosmetic lines, love him or hate him, is Jeffree Star, and he came out with his Blood Money collection, which includes eyeliner. So today I'm going to do one of our holiday looks with Resting Rich Face, which is a beautiful olive green, and Cold Digger, which is a brown. Now, his line did not come out with a black eyeliner, and you know what? That doesn't bother me because a lot of times I like to wear a brown eyeliner, and colored eyeliners are a great way to add a little pop of color. So today I have put my foundation on and I have primed my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and we're going to do a look with just these 2 eyeliners on our eyes today, and I'm going to tell you what I think of them. So let's get to it. All right, so one of the things I really like about the way Jeffree has done the packaging on this is that instead of having to fight the little tab on the end to get it open, it slides off and there's the eyeliner. So I'm going to give you a little look at the swatches of this. This is the Cold Digger, which is this beautiful brown. That's this right here. And let's open the other one. This is Resting Rich Face. I'm going to put that right next to the brown, and you can see it's that nice autumn green, kind of an olive green. So we're going to work out an eye look, and I've got an idea, but we'll see. So let's get going here. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Resting Rich Face, and I'm going to have on hand a nice stiff flat brush so I can kind of blend, because I think I'm going to use this as kind of like a color situation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just bring it up in here like this. I'm going to take that brush and I just want to smudge this out. And this stuff does not move really well, I gotta say. That could be a plus for eyeliner, not necessarily a plus for my eye look. So we'll add in a little more color here. Now we're starting to get a little something there. Yeah, this is really not moving. Wow. Okay, plan B, because this stuff does not move. That's kind of impressive, I gotta say, Jeffree. Wow, I was gonna do a look with just this stuff, but I don't think I can, only because this stuff stays in place so well. I mean, look at this. It's not moving. Okay, so regroup and let's try something else. I'm going to go ahead and take this off and reprime my eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took that off and reprimed my eye, and we're going to try something else. Now, since I'm not monetized, I can probably get away with this. I'm going to use the You Know What palette, and we're going to do a soft look and add in that color. So I'm going to go in with just kind of a light peach here and just buff that all over. Okay. See, that's the thing about when you're reviewing products and you've never tried them, you don't know. I'm thinking gel eyeliner, I'll have a hot minute to blend it. Yep, nope, didn't have it. Okay, then I'm going to go in with kind of a taupey color here. It's called Top. That was Blowout, and this is Top. And I'm just kind of going to give myself a little shading Not a lot. I don't want a lot of color because I want to really focus on the color of this liner because I really like it. Color was good. Okay. Let me put that away. All right, let's see if we can bring you in just a little bit here. There we go. Okay, so once again, let's try this over. This is Resting Rich Face. We're going to see if we can put a little bit of color into this look. So I apologize in advance. This is editing Colleen. Changing my camera angle, I failed to realize where my mirror was in relationship to the camera. So you're going to see a lot of the top of my head. And as you can see, I'm still in my bedroom, but that's okay. Changed your angle a little bit, which makes my mirror a little harder to get to. Still working on that. Still working on the studio. Boy, I can talk today. I can also tell where my mirror is in relationship to the camera. Can you tell? I'm really kind of building that up because I really want that color to pop. Look at how nice that green is. And this is the thing. You don't have to rely on the eyeshadow for your color, but a lot of people do. This stuff is, I'm kind of shook. It's super creamy going on, but like I said, I couldn't blend it out for anything. And I do kind of look for that in a colored eyeliner, just that ability to blend the liner out. I think I got a little mad, but this stuff doesn't blend that way, which, depending on the look you're going for, is not a bad thing. I really do apologize for the camera angle. This is really bad of me. I think I'm in frame, and then I look away for a second, and I'm right out of frame again. Sorry about that. You can never make both eyes even or get the autofocus to work. But this is why I have my ever faithful, trusty, dusty, Scentsy eyes. You know the routine. You know the routine. A little bit on a cotton swab does wonders. And I just put that on the back of my hand, and I kind of swirl the cotton bud in the tip. And then you can make that nice sharp line that you wanted right there. See? All right. Okay, so now we have this nice bold wing. And if you'll notice on this eye, because of the way my eyes open and I have that kind of bone thing here, this side, I don't have to do very thick and it looks okay. This side, I kind of have to bring it up a little bit to have them somewhat look similar. It's just the way my eyeball is. There we go. And this is the brush that I put that primer on with, so I'm just going to sharpen that ever so slightly more with this. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to do the under eye with the resting, no, I just did the resting rich face. I'm going to do the under eye with Cold Digger, which is the brown. And these pencils don't need to be sharpened, they just twist up. See that? I don't know if you can see. There you go. See, it twists up. Which is kind of nice because, like I said, they're super creamy, so they wear down pretty quick. It would help if you could see what I'm doing, I'm sure. Just following that wing out with the brown. It's really dark. I mean, who needs black when you got a brown this dark? Reminds me of a little pine tree. Okay. I've got this really nice wing going on here, and I'm thinking I'm going to pop it into something kind of retro. Really popular these days. And I know this is mostly younger girls, but who says us older people can't? But I think I'm going to put some of that green right up this way. Give it that double wingy effect here. So let's see. Let's see how it looks. Worst case scenario, I have to take it all off and start over again, right? This is kind of a daring look for Christmas, don't you think? Or Thanksgiving. Kind of like it, a little graphic. I don't know, I'm probably too old. Who cares? Kind of like it. Now, let's see if I can't just slightly. See, this stuff really doesn't budge at all. A little bit there. I think I'm going to go ahead and contour and put my blush on and some lashes, and we'll see how it looks. Flop or not, we'll find out. Thanks. So of course, in addition to all my forgetting to look at the camera, my audio cut out here. So I decided that this needed a little bit of color and went for my JawBreaker palette and decided that the color Lemon Drop, because it's nice and bright, would work really well on my lids. Just kind of packed it in on my lids and kind of let it go over the green a little bit just to give it a little bit of a holiday feel. Kind of brightened up that corner just a little bit. Now I'm going to take it over the top of that top line and just kind of put that yellow right on top of the resting ridge face. Just gives it a little more graphic detail. And once again, I forgot where my mirror was compared to the camera. Sorry about that, folks. I had a hard time today. This is what happens when you change your camera positions. And in case you're wondering, yes, that's dry shampoo in my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color JawBreaker from the JawBreaker palette, which is this awesome gold reflex highlight. I use it a lot for under my eyebrow because I just absolutely love it. This is probably the most bold design I've ever done. And once again, my sound isn't working, so I'm going to look like I'm saying something I'm not. I'm actually telling you right now that I had this on for like 6-8 hours. I even took a nap. And usually when I take a nap for any length of time, I start getting makeup up under my eyes running down. And if you look, there's nothing moving. I mean, I'm rubbing this hard. You can see my skin moving, both sides. Nothing got on my fingers. I am just absolutely floored by that. Look at that. There's like nothing there. It didn't move an inch. So I'm going to say for the wearability, this is a 10. It's Glam Life approved, but for blendability, not so much. No, didn't work so well. So here I'm telling you that we're going to check back in later. We're going to do a Black Friday look this coming Friday with a black smoky eye, and I'm going to be working on my first Glamorous Life kitchen. So hope to see you soon. Ta-ta!